good aim. Oh, crap. Which camera guy are you aiming at?
Shoot me.
Dude, break it!
Good one, right in the head.
Oh!
Go on.
Oh, man.
And
And
he
hold it.
flew under attack.
Oh!
That was awesome.
My eye! My eye! Good thing I have another one.
Up.
Right?
What? I don't know.
You want to get me, I see that.
It sticks right here.
Oh, that was
I
very
heard
good.
that.
I'm gonna be so scared. Oh!
Two in a row, same spot. You good?
Oh! In the chest.
Thank you, Stacey.
This is way too much fun for you.
Oh. I'm not going to give them back this time.
I know. Frankie is armed and dangerous.
Mark, did you want to ask Frankie a question?
Yeah, I can ask Frankie some
Yeah,
questions.
Frankie, we got some questions. People are calling in and they
Wanna
want
go
to know
somewhere else?
No stuff. We asked you like 3 questions. You got time for that, man? Cool.
Okay. All right. Here's a couple questions that people on MTV.com wrote in to ask. Okay. All right. Everyone wants to know if you have a favorite Jonas Brothers song.
Actually, that would be SOS.
Can you sing a little bit of it?
I somehow forget those words sometimes.
That's okay. We can come back to it if you want.
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. Okay, someone else asked, how does it feel when someone says, oh, I have a favorite Jonas brother? Because you probably love your brothers all equally, right?
I have one favorite brother.
Really?
Yes. That'd be
Yeah.
Nick.
What? What about Joe and Kevin?
Joe's at the end and Nick.
What did he do something to piss you off?
A little.
What happened? Let's hear it.
Whenever
Spill
I-
it.
Whenever he spins me around and I say stop because I'm going to puke and he doesn't stop.
Oh, okay. Does he know that? Of course he
Yes.
knows that.
I always say that to him.
Okay, well, as the littlest, you probably get away with everything because you're littlest. Like, that's the best part
Yeah.
about being little. Like, what was the most recent prank you played on your brother?
Well, okay. On this tour, my friend James, he keep coming on. So,
Say that again?
my friend James.
Uh-huh.
And we were watching the show on Love Bug, and my brothers, they came out and bring us. Then the second night, my mom said that we couldn't do it. And then me and James, we saw it was Love Bug, and he turned back, like right before it was going to happen, because he was already sitting down. So I was like, me and James were just like baking it, and Joe looked over, and he was like, oh man. He ran over because my mom was somewhere else, I don't know.
Oh, I have another question.
Okay.
This one's for me. What are you going to get for Joe for his birthday? Or are you not going to give him anything now?
Well,
Because of what you said. Because of him
I'm-
spinning you around.
I might get him something. I don't know what. I'll give him one of these boys. That's what I think.
Okay.
In the gut.
Oh! I'm glad, no offense, you're cool, but I'm glad that you're not my brother. Because you with this thing is I'm a little bit scared.
Yeah.
Okay, I have another question for you. When what was the last toy you bought?
It was probably when this one of those motorcycles that Italians have. It's running there.
Oh, like a real little motorcycle?
Pretty much, yeah.
Can we see it?
Sure.